Well, boys and girls, we definitely got our first carp of this tournament. I weighed it, it's 13 pounds. I thought it was a little bit bigger when I got it, but we're just gonna go ahead and take a couple pictures of this one and release it. I don't really need to, I think that you have to do some special things to document for this event, and I'm not quite sure what that is yet, but nice fish. Solid. Solid fish. That's the jump. All right, so quickly, I'm just gonna try and grab a couple photos of this bad Larry, just to prove that I caught a fish tonight, and I'm gonna send her back. That's awesome. Nice first fish for this tournament. I beat it up last night and didn't get a bite, so it's nice to get rewarded right away this evening. Let's get him back in the water. Nice. All right, ladies and germs, that is our first one since the tournament began. Really stoked. Really stoked about it. It's too bad it was only a little guy. So I don't even know if I did it right or if I had to take a picture with like me holding a sign or some stuff like that. I really should have looked into it beforehand, but I didn't. Of course, my pants have sand all over them. I really should turn into shorts when I'm fishing here. Anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some shorts on. I'm gonna watch a movie and hope for another bite. It's hard to record at night, you know, the catches. When I'm by myself, I have nobody holding lights or anything for me, cameras for me. It's a disaster, but I'll figure something out. I've been doing some brainstorming, and we're definitely gonna figure something out. I could get a really nice big light on the outside of the van that I can turn on when I get a bite, and then have a GoPro like from the van down, or it's just tough. GoPros at night are tough. They need a lot of light. They suck. They suck at night. But my big camera works. It's just I can't have that going all the time like you can a GoPro. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But night fishing is key for me because I work during the day. So all of my fishing is at night. And I hope you guys enjoy, you know, at least seeing the catches and stuff like that. And we're going to figure it out. You know, when I'm with other people, the night stuff comes out great. It's awesome because I can hold the light in the camera, or somebody else can hold the light in the camera, and it really comes out well. But we're figuring it out. Hopefully we can get a few more fish on the board, and I'm going to try and figure out also like what's going on with this tournament, just in case I get an actual good one. So literally while changing, oh wow, the moon looks dope. While changing into shorts, I had my shorts like down when I got the next run. So literally back to back. We're gonna check this fish out real quick. I think it's gonna be about the same weight. So we're gonna check the weight real quick and then go from there. The moon's just coming up. Definitely not, weighs almost exactly the same. Two fish, almost exact same weight. We're just gonna get this one back in the water too. We don't even need to take a picture of that one. We need something big, at least over 15 pounds. This one's already very, very ready to go. Go ahead, bud. Well, that's 2 fish. 1 fish, 2 fish. Maybe we'll watch them in the movie now. This is great. We got our first 20-pound fish on the mat. We're gonna sling this one up. Hopefully I can get a couple nice shots in the morning, but we're gonna try and take a couple pictures right now as well. Look at the belly on this one. Look at that. All right, folks. Well, at 6 o'clock, we caught the big one. And then moments later, we caught the smaller one while I was trying to get this one all prepared. I'm gonna get this one in the sling for a little bit. Maybe 30 minutes or so. As you can see, the sun is just coming up and we just doubled up. And we got the 20-pounder over in the sling. We just need to get the smaller one out of here, get the bigger one in there, and then as soon as that sun comes up, weigh this big one, get a couple pictures, release them, and then get them up on the bulletin board, folks, the bulletin board. First set of fish for me on the Big 4 tournament, and that's what this is all about. That's why we're here, you know, doing a few days in a row at this spot. This is day 2, and we've got a good amount of fish. I'm gonna let this little one go. Goes the smaller of the two. It's probably in that 13-pound range. Get it, buddy. Let's get this one slinged up. We'll weigh him in a little bit. So we got a couple of big fish. I'm actually just gonna re-weigh both of them real quick. Oh my goodness! Please no. And then we'll go from there. But re-weigh them quickly on the scale, and then. We'll get a few pictures. Get them back in the water and get the heck to work. This one is 17 pounds, 8 ounces. We're gonna subtract 1 pound from the scale. So we'll get 16 pounds, 8 ounces for this fish here. Oh. 16 pounds, 8 ounces. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Really nice fish. Really happy about this one. Right in the morning. And it came with like another 12, 13 pounder with it. Let's get Big Mama in here again, just to make sure we got the solid weight. Yeah. That one's 21 pounds, 8 ounces on the scale. So we'll take that pound off. So 20 pounds, 8 ounces for the big girl. Really stoked about this fish, guys. Really, really stoked. Let's get these guys set up for a couple pictures, and then we'll release them. Nice. 20 pounds, 8 ounces. Oof. All right, girls. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that sums it up for today. We might be coming back here tonight, and if so, maybe we'll start the next video. But we registered 3 out of these 4 fish that we got. We could have registered all 4, but it's like, really, we really got to get those 13s out of there. I just did the first one just to see how the registration went. But anyways, consider hitting that subscribe button if you had a good time today. I had to get to work. Make sure you hit that bell notification as well. You know, we drop videos at least once a week here, and we're going to be doing some live sessions from the bank soon. I think that sounds like a really good idea. But we will catch you guys on the next one. Fish on.